Hello, Kristen here. So today's video is just going to be kind of a short one. I have two different small subscriptions here that we're going to go through. One of them I didn't realize was sitting on my desk. So I don't know when this is even, since May. So that one's been here since May, and then I got my earrings. So this is my Earfleek package. They do send it in a lot of packaging for what you're getting. So, and then it's another little package, and now they're even sending little cards. And then you get earrings. These are really cute. I already looked at this. So I'm like, they're adorable. But sometimes when you get them, they're squished. But these are little drinks. And they're not on the card. They're usually on like a card. So let's see if I can hold this up here and you can see them. They're like little raspberry drinks. Super cute. Super cute. Sometimes they're duds, but these ones are really cute and I will totally wear those. So very cute, very cute. I think that's a $3.99 subscription a month. You know, no paying for shipping or anything. You need to stop, girl. My dog is so mad that I'm talking to myself. Okay, and this is my underwear subscription that I get every month. Yes, I think this has been since May. So I do get 3. You can choose to get 1, 2, or 3, I think, per month. And it's hashtag get knotty. So that's really cute. So we got a black pair. Oh, it might be see-through though. I was gonna say it might work for when I'm franking, but nope, because it's see-through. And then we have a lime green pair here. And this is, oh good, basic underwear. Okay. Because the last few months I've been getting some really lacy stuff, and I'm not against it, but like you can't wear those like every day. Some might be uncomfortable. Now this one's kind of lacy too, unfortunately, but there we go. So that's cool. I have nothing else for you, but if you get either of these, let me know what you think of them. Let me know what you think of the products I got. Don't forget I'm a daily uploader. I like makeup or wrestling in the Rocky Horror Picture Show. And if you like any or all of those things, I would love to have you here as a subscriber. God, I can't speak today. It's the lipstick. I don't normally wear lipstick like this. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, I did a Beetlejuice and Melt Cosmetics and Monster High inspired look because Monster High and Mattel debuted their Beetlejuice inspired dolls. Beetlejuice and Lydia, they're very cute. I decided to do my makeup Beetlejuice inspired instead of buying the dolls because the dolls would do nothing but sit on the shelf, whereas at least I can use the makeup. So hopefully one day Monster High will do an actual Monster High collab with a brand for makeup because that would be awesome. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.